Understanding heartfelt. Enhance your English vocabulary. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very special topic to discuss that will not only enrich your English vocabulary but also help you express your emotions more accurately. We are going to explore the meaning and use of the word heartfelt. So, stay tuned and let's dive right in. The term heartfelt is an adjective used to describe emotions, feelings, or expressions that are deeply sincere, genuine, and filled with warmth. When someone says something is heartfelt, they are emphasizing that it's not superficial or fake, but rather comes from deep within their heart. For example, if someone gives you a heartfelt apology, it means they are truly sorry and their apology is sincere. Similarly, a heartfelt compliment is one that is genuine and meant to make the other person feel valued. To help you better understand how to use heartfelt, let's go through some examples. 1. Heartfelt appreciation. I want to express my heartfelt appreciation for all your hard work. 2. Heartfelt condolences. We offer our heartfelt condolences to you and your family during this difficult time. 3. Heartfelt thanks. My heartfelt thanks go out to everyone who supported me. In each of these examples, heartfelt adds a layer of sincerity and genuineness to the expression. Using heartfelt in your communication can help you establish a stronger emotional connection with others. It shows that you are not just saying words, but you are also feeling them. This can be particularly important in situations where empathy and understanding are required. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and use of the word heartfelt, and how it can be used to convey sincerity in your communication. Remember, enriching your vocabulary is a step towards more effective and heartfelt communication. Keep practicing. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. See you in the next video.